Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas, where you can find the most in-depth video walkarounds under different Ford and Lincoln vehicles, and some great in-depth how-to videos as well. If you like some of that content, hit the red subscribe button down below so you can get subscribed to our YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell. You'll also get notified the next time we have another video uploaded to YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the pre-collision assist. A lot of these Ford vehicles are coming standard with a pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, including all of your F-150s, a lot of your Super Duties, all your SUVs are coming with it anymore. Ford really wants to keep you safe and protected. And if you're not sure what pre-collision assist is, basically what it's going to do is it's going to monitor the vehicles in front of you. If they're stopped and you're going much faster than them and you're going to end up hitting them, the system will alert you with tones, very intense tones, as well as usually a message on the dash or even lights on the windshield up there, letting you know that you need to stop. The vehicle in front of you is going much slower than you and you're going to collide with them. And if you don't initiate the brake, it will if you have the active braking activated. So let me show you that. If maybe you've been in your vehicle, you didn't even know that it had the pre-collision assist, and all of a sudden the lights started going off and you didn't know what was going on. That is your pre-collision assist, and I'm going to show you how to adjust the settings, your intensity for that. Also, how to adjust the active braking if you want that, or you want to make sure that you have the active braking activated, which I'd make sure that it will be activated from the factory, but just in case something happened at the dealer, you can make sure it's activated, or maybe you want to deactivate it. I encourage you not to do that, but let me show you how to do that. Now, it really depends on what type of screen you have. Most of them they're going to be done in the productivity screen up here. Whether you have a 4.2-inch productivity screen or the 8-inch productivity screen like you see in a lot of your trucks, trucks and Expeditions, or even in the touchscreen on a lot of your Explorer and Escapes for the 2020 model year. So this here happens to have the 8-inch productivity screen, so I'm going to show you here. At the top, you're going to see tabs. You're going to look for those gears at the top. Move over to the gears, and you're going to see that's going to be your settings tab. And then if you go down, you'll see pre-collision is an option, and you would just hit OK to go into pre-collision. Now let me show you on a 4.2-inch productivity screen here in between your speedometer and your dash. A lot of your cars will have it. Some of your lower, like your F-150 XL XLTs, Super Duty XL XLTs, some of the other vehicles will have the 4.2-inch productivity screen. It's going to be pretty similar, except you're going to be moving down, you're going to be staying to the left of that screen, and you're going to use your D-pad to go down to settings. Once you click on the settings, you go in there, you should have the option for pre-collision, and then you would hit the OK or the right arrow to go over to that. If you have a 2020 Ford Explorer or Escape, it's going to be on the touchscreen. So this new Sync 3.2 is what a lot of people call it. That screen here, you're going to see the little buttons at the bottom. You're going to see audio, climate, phone, maybe navigation, apps. Settings is clear on the right. Click on settings, and then you're in your driver assistance features. Click on driver assistance, and you should see pre-collision in there. Click on pre-collision. So let me show you on the 8-inch productivity screen how you can adjust this. So once you're in the pre-collision, you're going to see alert sensitivity, you're going to see active braking, and then you're going to see pre-collision on. So the sensitivity, if we click OK, you can change the sensitivity of how soon it alerts you. If you want that really high, then you can go ahead and move it up to high. It's going to come from the factory on normal, and then you can even put it on low. If it maybe activates it too quickly, you can change that if you want to change that sensitivity, or intensity I should say. Then you go back and active braking. So that's where you want to make sure that's checked. You want that active braking checked, because if you don't hit your brake, you're not paying attention even after it alerts you, it's going to brake for you and lessen that severity of the accident. It may not avoid the accident, but the whole goal is to lessen the severity of that accident so no one gets injured. And then if you go down, you have pre-collision on. So click the OK there, and then you can either activate that or deactivate the collision warning. Please keep that on. I believe that really it's a great system. It really helps you out, but you can deactivate it if you want to. Ford's going to always give that availability for any of their safety features, but I would encourage you to leave that to the on, or maybe it's off and you want to make sure it's on. That's where you would adjust that within that screen. So whether you have the 4.2-inch, the 8-inch, or it's done on the touch screen, that's how you're going to adjust your pre-collision assist. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, go ahead and smash that like button. Leave your comments down below if you have any questions at all for me, And as always, hit the red subscribe button so you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell. You'll also get notified the next time we have another video uploaded to our YouTube channel. So again, hope you enjoyed this, got some information out of this, and until the next video, we'll see you later.